Hey team, how's it going? In this video, just real quick, we have a broken down roller and V-Cam assembly for chase door model number R-25. As you saw in the first clip, that was the assembly pretty much on the door. This is what it looks like when it's totally taken apart. Here we have the roller assembly. This particular one is all rusted out. That little wheel right there, the bearings in there just totally busted. Definitely a big fail on the maintenance or even just checking it out. And right here we have the V-Cam. Oops. So this particular part, obviously, this roller sits right in here, like so. And you'll have that shaft that the roller assembly clamps down onto. And as the door opens, what it's supposed to do is go up, keep that door open, and then with gravity, bring itself closed. What ends up happening with these is they start getting rusted out. You got to remember that the only thing that's protecting this kit or assembly from any moisture is this little flap that pretty much sits around. So you have a lot of moisture kind of going in between this door jamb, right? And it starts condensing on these parts, causing them to rust out. So you just want to, take a peek in these, make sure they're not rusted out. If you see any wear and tear, get them replaced. Start with the roller assembly before it actually takes out that V-Cam, because it does get pretty expensive if you let this go. All right, let me know if there's any questions. Like this video if it was informative. Any new subscribers are greatly appreciated. Thanks.